Hey guys, welcome to another Declutter with me video. My name is Carla. If you are new here, I hope you'll click the like and subscribe button. And if you're back, welcome back. Today I am finishing my little living room here in Los Angeles. There is a part 1 to this video where I've done a lot of the heavy lifting. Today I am just going to be sorting through this pile that has been sitting in the entryway for the last couple of weeks. But the living room as a whole is looking so much better. Before I start decluttering, I am going to tackle this rug. I am going to give this rug the cleaning she so desperately needs. You can really see the dirt there. She filthy. She real dirty. I started by using my fur scraper. It grabs hair and lint so well. I will link it in the description. It's really, really great if you have pets. And then I am doing a quick vacuum. So this is on turbo speed, but I shampooed this rug 4 times. 4 times, and every time it looked like it was not getting any cleaner. It looks the same. So yeah, it was a lot harder than I imagined, but it was the most economical version, the most economical option. Ew. How is there so much dirt? Dang. Some of you wanted to see what the sofa looked like turned this direction. Yes, I made a big mistake in buying a sofa this large for this size room, but I'm living with it for now. Having it this way blocks the door to my bedroom, and it makes the focus of the room this way towards the entryway rather than this way towards the window. So I don't like it. I really think I have it in the best position for having this couch, this sofa. It's time to start decluttering. I think this will go pretty fast. I am letting the rug dry. I don't think I want to do any more of it. I've done 4 rounds on that rug and I think that's as clean as it's going to get. Maybe I'll do one more round tomorrow morning before I return the machine. But I want to get the decluttering for this room done, complete now. Here we go. We are starting small. I have this little junk box, I guess it became. It really was supposed to be a place to store my batteries. I know that seems so random, but it works. Having this little box there on my console with batteries is great. But the thing is, I started putting lots of other random stuff. I found $100 in there. I think I hide money sometimes and forget where I put it. So that was a nice surprise. There was a rubber band, some nails, a little sticker thing for my curtains. Cash monies. Can't be mad about finding cash monies. But that money is going to find a new home. So this box ended up being just for battery items. So I have my charger, my spare key, and regular batteries in there. Everything else will have to find a new home. In this box, I have my D-pillar for clothes. The bottom broke, so I needed to tape it up to repair it. There's my power drill I bought a month ago. This little plastic baggie is what I use to keep my nails in, so just reorganizing that. Now this bag was full of mostly shoes. I'm thinking now in terms of problem solving. So I definitely have a problem with coming in the door, taking off my shoes. Sometimes it's coming in the back door, coming in the front door, and I just have them scattered all over the house. So I need to have a designated area for my shoes that will solve that problem. So I'm not sure if I'll get a shoe rack or if I will just create a designated area. We'll see. But yeah, I'm really thinking in terms of what's the problem and how do I solve it? Got to know the problem before you can really know the right solution. Clutter will sneak up on you. This box here, let's see, that Palo Santo stick I got when I did yoga on the beach. I did not need to say yes to it. I have a thing for free stuff. I love free expensive things. But really just when people give you things, I say yes, even if I don't really need it. So that's a problem. What's the solution for that? Be aware. Don't say yes. Say no, thank you. This Jerusalem dish I got in Jerusalem, and I really treasure it. It was a trip I took with my mom in 2015, I believe. And this box here, a friend brought me from India. I use it as what's called a God box. If you have anything you're worried about, you write it down on a piece of paper, put it in a box, and keep it closed. And you don't have to look at it. It is being taken care of, and it really works. This is a box that housed my planner. I decided to keep the box because I figured I could use it as a storage box. I don't know if that was the right decision, to be honest, but I ended up using it to keep the curtain ties that are in my living room. These curtain ties right here, you'll see them in a second. Those little pouches, I don't know where they came from, got rid of them. Coins that were in a dish, I don't need to have that sitting out. So one of you in the comments simply suggested put your coins in a jar. It's like, why didn't I think of that? I don't know, but I didn't. Thank you for that suggestion. This is a sticker book for planners someone gave to me. And there's my little baby boy being bad, standing on my clean rug. The audacity. Samson, don't sit on the rug. Hello, do not sit on the rug. Samson, thank you. Go sit in your house. Sometimes you get to be the cool mom. Yes. Please. Sometimes you got to be the strict mom. Go. He's not happy about it. Don't need this. Don't need this. Gonna donate this flower pot, stack of books, old eyeglass case, some stickers for planning, a couple of crystals, these little pouches, these old shoes that don't fit right, this statue, oh, it's broken. Is it broken? This is Archangel Michael. And this is just a bunch of trash that was in the living room. Trash, donate. All of this is keep. Some of it will be relocated. Not sure yet what I'm going to do with that bed. That's Samson's, and I don't know if he really needs another one like that. I probably will keep it. Okay, let me put stuff back. It feels good in here. Getting things together to donate, getting the trash together to take out. finding new homes for everything, putting my clean rug back in place. I'm doing so much better with keeping shoes off in the house. I'm not at 100% yet, but I am doing better. Okay, it's gonna take time to set up that new habit, but I definitely will not be wearing any shoes on this rug ever again. Cannot believe how much dirt and grime and gunk and junk was on that rug. Woo! Yeah, never again. Never. I am done for today. I am going to check back in tomorrow morning and see how I'm feeling about what I've gotten rid of. I feel good about what I've let go of, but I'm looking around the room and I'm just gonna see tomorrow if there's anything else that I'm ready or willing to let go of. So I have a lot of items that I don't necessarily want to declutter, but I also don't necessarily want them out on display. They just don't have a more permanent home yet because I need to declutter my bedroom closet and create more storage in that room so that these items that are sort of like, I guess, keepsakes, but maybe I don't need them out on display, they need a home. So that's where I'm at today. The rug looks pretty good. If I had more time, I would have done one more pass, but I did 4 passes and I was tired and I wanted to finish the video. So I'll check back in the morning and we'll take a look around the room. And I will also go and drop off these items at Goodwill, take the trash down, clear out this last corner. Yeah, okay, I'll check in tomorrow. It's looking good in here. It's time to say goodbye. I don't need it anymore. It belongs in a beach house. These are the best bags for carrying stuff down to your car. Full car, heading to Goodwill. Good morning. It's the next day. Heading to Goodwill, going to drop off everything from the living room and this table back here. I find this is the hard part, is actually going to the place. Carrying things downstairs, getting it in the car, driving somewhere and dropping it off. But it's getting done today. It is getting done. I got to Goodwill right when it opened, lugged my stuff in there, and the guy told me they don't take pillows. But he said he would take them for me anyways, which was really nice. And they're decorative pillows, so I figured they would take them, but I don't know, fact check it with your Goodwill before you do that. Done. That was easy. It's always easier and faster and quicker than you think it will be. Everything in life. Well, no. It's either easier than you think it will be or harder. It's one or the other. So when I came back home, I just cleaned off the light switch with some bleach along with the white wall there because it had some scuff marks. The rug, I think you can see the difference. It's just not day and night, but it is cleaner. So we're looking for small improvements. This home, this room, me, very imperfect, but wow, if you look back to where I started, it's really getting so much better. And there's this tipping point that's happening in my apartment where now that I have less stuff, it's easier to keep tidy. So it's inspiring me to keep things tidier more often, if that all made sense. But I'm pretty shocked and amazed at how often my home is now in a state of tidiness. Granted, I still have my bedroom closet. That is just a disaster zone. But look at the bedroom. Like, ain't nobody in there and it's looking good right now. Anyways, thanks for watching this week's video. You know I love you guys. Please like and comment and subscribe, and see you next week.